RightSignature Digital Signature Platform Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to the platform and related resources are in the description. RightSignature, a digital signature solution by Citrix, is designed for businesses that need a secure, user-friendly, and legally compliant way to collect electronic signatures. It is commonly used by law firms, healthcare providers, and enterprises that require a simple yet effective e-signature platform. RightSignature focuses on security, compliance, and ease of use, making it a great choice for organizations handling confidential documents. Key features. RightSignature provides legally binding e-signatures that comply with the eSign Act and UETIA regulations. The platform offers customizable document templates, allowing users to save time by reusing frequently signed forms. Hand-drawn signatures add an extra layer of authenticity, giving signers the ability to draw their signature instead of using a typed version. RightSignature also supports sequential and parallel signing, ensuring smooth workflows for documents requiring multiple approvals. Audit trails and document tracking provide full visibility into signing activities, maintaining compliance and security. Additionally, RightSignature integrates with popular business tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, Salesforce, and ShareFile, allowing seamless document management within existing workflows. Strengths. One of RightSignature's key strengths is its simplicity and ease of use, making it accessible for users with minimal technical experience. The handwritten signature feature enhances authenticity, making it ideal for businesses that require a more traditional signing experience. RightSignature also offers strong security features, including encryption and detailed audit logs, ensuring compliance with industry regulations. Integration with Citrix ShareFile is a major advantage for Citrix users, providing a seamless workflow for document storage and collaboration. The mobile-friendly design allows users to sign documents from any device, improving accessibility and convenience. Weaknesses. Despite its strengths, RightSignature has some limitations. The feature set is relatively basic compared to competitors like DocuSign and Adobe Acrobat Sign, lacking advanced automation and workflow customization. Limited integration options may not be ideal for businesses that rely on a wider range of third-party applications. Additionally, pricing can be high for the features offered, especially for smaller businesses looking for a budget-friendly e-signature solution. Some users have also reported that customer support can be slow at times, which may be a concern for businesses needing immediate assistance. Final verdict. RightSignature is a reliable digital signature solution for businesses prioritizing security, compliance, and ease of use. While it may not offer the extensive automation and integrations of larger competitors, its handwritten signature feature, strong security measures, and Citrix integration make it a solid choice for law firms, healthcare providers, and enterprises looking for a straightforward e-signature solution.